To add Calendly to your Webflow website, you can embed a scheduling link or use Calendly's inline widget. This allows visitors to book appointments directly on your site. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Access the embed options. In Calendly, go to the Share Your Link option, then select Add to Website. Choose your preferred embed type, inline embed, pop-up widget or pop-up text. Copy the embed code. Once you select an embed type, Calendly generates a code snippet. Copy this code to your clipboard. Open Webflow. Go to your Webflow project and open the page where you want to add Calendly. Add an embed element. In Webflow, go to the Add Elements panel. Drag and drop an embed component to the desired section on your page. Paste the Calendly code. Inside the embed element, paste the Calendly code you copied. Click Save and Close to confirm. Publish and test. Publish your Webflow site and visit the page to test the Calendly integration. Visitors should now be able to book appointments directly.